Hi everyone, this is Alan Rosinski of Metro Manhattan Office Space. Look at this. Rockefeller Center. Desolate, empty, not a soul. You'd never imagine a scene like this. But every day in Manhattan, the streets keep getting emptier and emptier. And until the lockdown ends and the virus is brought under control, there's not going to be much commercial real estate activity. Now look at Park Avenue, going towards Grand Central Station. Not a soul. You could lay down in the street, and nothing would happen to you. Normally, this is jam-packed full of cars. You constantly, in Manhattan now, hear ambulances, there's sirens, over and over again, a sad reminder of the impact of the coronavirus. Now, on 63rd and Madison, there's kind of a memorial, a loudspeaker playing the national anthems of the countries most affected by the coronavirus. It's very touching and sad, and what's missing, what we don't hear anymore, is music. Now walking around in Manhattan, there's all sorts of incongruous scenes, like a bagel store selling masks and eggs, which are in very, very short supply, as well as gloves. Now, as Manhattan has emptied out, it seems like there's more nature, notably more birds. Look at this robin in Central Park. It would be very unusual to see a bird like this, or ducks. It seems like there's more diversity of wildlife, more birds, and well, that's an upside to this tragic and unusual situation. Central Park still has an abundance of runners and cyclists, so not everybody is respecting social distancing, unfortunately. I hope these videos have given you an idea of what Manhattan's like today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this information interesting. Until the next time, have a good evening.